One of the things that I need to point out, I forgot it in the first video, that the central station is not a nice place to be at night, evening. That's all. This is the only area that I heard that it's not really nice. Anyway, what I like in Belgrade, and you will notice it immediately, even though the weather is hot and you still have a lot of green parks all over the city, in the city center, all over, really all over. You have few streets and parks, all the people like to just come, and you see sitting, relaxing, couples sitting together, holding hands, and all those romantic stuff. And as you can see, park and park between big two streets, one big park with old buildings from probably even before the area that they start to be communists. And from this point on and forward, I will just put some music with the sound of the city and will just show you the city. Enjoy.